Well, this is the most important part of the whole syndication is where you purchase the property, you are managing the property with the help of third-party property management company or yourself. Like in our case, I had 153 full-time people, full-time team members at several of the properties we own and so on. It is a high when you are able to give livelihood to so many people, contractors, and giving the lifestyle to so many residents and so forth like that. Just a very heartwarming and, giving back to the society, I call it, with profits to investors and everybody in between and yourself and all that. So I would say after doing the business plan for 1 or 2 years, we're able to increase value of the property, by giving amenities. Some of the profits can be re-spent back into the property to even add more amenities, I call it, and increasing the NOI, net operating income. That's the total revenues minus the expenses. That's the net operating income. Of course, after, taking out the mortgage and the capital expenses, then we come with the net income. So when we are ready in 3 to 5 years, or even in 2 years, sometime we have seen properties have gone way back up. 2023, the adjustment is coming and people who will be buying right now, this year and next year will be benefiting for the next 5-7 years. Even though the interest rates are higher, but they're going to go down and you'll be able to refinance in 3 to 5 years. That's the beauty of it. Let's see, now you're ready to sell. Why not? So when you sell the property, you prepare the property and then you reach it out to the investors in that area, the top ones. Because when you buy the property, whisper, you never let other people know because you want to buy the off-market property. But when you sell, you want to have the biggest band and the humdrums so that you have a lot of interest from buyers to buy from you. And that's when you are able to take that property. If it's the compression of the cap rate, your property value is going to increase. By increasing the net operating income, your property is going to increase. By giving value more to the rents, to the residents, they'll be paying more rents and cutting down the expenses and getting into better contracts with the cable and others, all these different things. So we are able to really increase the value of the property to give the equity gain. So when we sell the property, it's a great payday for investors to get their initial investment back plus equity gains back if you have to recapture any of the cash flows. And the other big paydays for syndicators, for us, because 70% of the profits will be going to the investors and 30% is coming to the syndication, to you and me and all that. So in other words, if the property goes in value by $3 million, let's say equity gain of $3 million, 70%, so $2.1 million is going to the investors and $900,000 is coming to us. What? That is the real truth. I mean, we have made millions of dollars in gains when we sold our assets and so on. Investors were winners, big winners, and we were also. So good luck to you. Selling the property at the end is a big high, and asking the investors to, roll back that money into next property and even do 1031s. There are great ways to do 1031s also in multifamily syndications. So it's a beautiful field. I hope you are really excited about it.